Hi-ho ahoy. Animals sure make a lot of funny noises. We've broken down a top 10 list of best animal noises through a rigorous decade-long scientific research. Here's the list in no particular order. Number 10, cats. Number 9, dogs, bark bark bark. Number 8, roosters. Number 7, pigs. Number 6, guns. Number 5, sharks. Number 4, bees. Number 3. Number 2, horses. And finally, number 1, trees. I'm John Ham Sandwich and this has been another episode of Animal Phax. Stay tuned for more factual animal facts. Have a wonderful animal day.